Cool and cozy, environmentally friendly, the natural insulation can be found. Now this can move. This, instead of trying to patch it up, if you look closely, this is why they're installed. That can move freely of the other one, and that's never going to crack or anything. It lets it move. Might want to come back if on a hot day and just move around. So now it can. You're not trying to hold it together. A new tool there. I can't wait anymore. Dude, I'm mixing some mud up. Alright, we ready? Well, I could work the corners. I'm gonna work the corners, yeah? That's probably a better idea. I'm gonna work in the corners with my horsey. Come here, horsey. Hey. So the corners above me might look fine from back there, but let's have a closer look. Alright, let's have a closer look. It's rough, man. It's rough. We got, that's rough, it's moving.
Loose. Loosey?
That's loose, you see that?
Floating.
That.
Whoa.
That's loose. Now, I don't know, but I know the mud that we use, it's good stuff. That doesn't sound good. The whole lot. We could whack some nails in it, but I don't think that's the right thing to do. So what we're gonna do,
Oh, Peru style.
CSR.
We'll see, the size is a big one. So we've got the right side.
Yeah. Prep this up, guys. Actually, we're taking that out. We'll make it home. Well, we'll see how. We're gonna be our home. That's all there.
I don't know skill, like to take that ugly shitty bit out, like where it steps.
Take that as well.
Yeah, and take all the way back to the block joint, so we remove
There?
all of that. Yeah, so it comes. So yeah, because that's ugly, and there's nothing you can do about that. You can blend it, but it still won't. It's still pick it. And for us to dock it there is like okay.
Let me show you what we're talking about. It's just rough, and that stuff's coming down, and you can see they've joined it there, and that's not that great, you know. So we're hoping that's way different.
We should be able to hold them up. Grab a piece here, pieces there, some of them are borrowed, and I'm going to bang bang, throw tape over. 5 mil.
Alright, let's check that out. Let's finish this side. Let's do it as quick as we can. Chop. Chop. Look, not very good, guys. And not much at all back there. And no nails. I always like to screw a nail it with something just in case. Just in case. We actually had some corners fall down on us yesterday. Alright, now we just prep it up. And before we put the corners up, we'll skim this edge. That's coming off all too easy, guys. And you do want to be careful up here. There's a cabinet. You don't want to mark it. So
Yeah, now next one's going to be 5 smaller, so you don't want to scratch it up. Yeah, super gentle, nice clean knife.
just practice up here. Might even wet it up first. Get your sponge. Yeah. Oh, we got one here. Oh, look at that rag.
Right, sponge. Get it in a bucket. Even just keep on damping it, it'll fall off.
Yeah. So we just want to be careful of these cabinets right here. So we're going to get a sponge or a rag, wet it up a little bit. I'm staying above that. 'Cause that's what's going to be visible. Cool and cozy, environmentally friendly, the natural insulation can be found. Good news, Australia. You're eligible to get your insulation pumped into your house.
But hey, they're not fixing it. yeah, just damp that, sponge it, come back to it.
Yeah, we even get the blade. Yeah.
There it is, the old top plate.
We did put some screws in there.
Yeah, confirmed, I believe, the old top plate.
Yeah, wall along there, right?
Yeah.
Or a header, and then the wall started there.
Top plate.
So we're gonna clean that back, guys.
All in the crack. Oh, yeah.
It's gonna look brand new. And we can't have this down here. A minute old.
It's working. Sweet.
You definitely need some nails in there because like it's so smooth that surface. But we're ready for that. Just want to put a screw in here where I can. It's a little bit moving around. Eugene's bringing that joint through that I started the other day, and then I got tired of doing it. So I might measure up all these corners, prep this bit up. Let's prep it up. I'll screw that up.
Sticky tape over.
I'll measure it up, then have the corners ready so when we do get our mud out, we can pop that up.
And then they've set over the sticky tape.
Where? Really?
Yeah, cool. Masking tape off. Yeah.
Masking tape, guys.
I don't know. Maybe painted it. I don't know.
Well, it's tape. YouTube just said tape. That's all I know.